Hi students, welcome to your math lesson. Today we are going to be reviewing our number counting skills from 0 to 50. So let's get started. We have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 30, got the 3 on 34, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, we're almost there. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. We did it, woo! So let me repeat that one more time. We have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Woo! We are going to be reviewing our counting skills up to 100 later on in the year. And then starting next week, I'm going to meet with students one-on-one, and they are going to do their number counting skills with me. So I want them to see how far they can count up to. So this will be a good week to just review your counting skills and see how far you can go. Okay, now we're starting chapter 2 in Big Ideas. So we finished chapter 1, which is pretty exciting. But I'm going to do a quick review from chapter 1. So if you guys see a problem, 3 plus 4 equals 7. Now, what are some couple of things can you tell me about this problem? Some big first grader math vocabulary terms. Well, first off, the 3 and the 4 are important because those are called the add-ins. Those are the 3 and the 4 are add-ins. So every addition equation problem, a number plus a number, those are going to be your add-ins. Not for subtraction equations. Those numbers are not going to be called add-ins. So for add-ins, you're only add-in. I like to think of it like that, add-in. And then I know you guys know the little plus sign right there. The plus sign. And then I know you know the equal sign. And you could see the equal sign in every math problem out there. And then what is the 7 called? It is the answer, but what is it called in an addition equation? Did you guys think of it? The 7 is called the sum. And the sum is every answer in every addition equation. Okay? However, so this is for an addition equation. I'm going to give you guys a subtraction equation. Let's see, I'm going to change it to a black marker. 6 minus 2 equals 4. Now we know this guy right here is the minus sign. So I like to think of it as plus, you're putting things together, minus, you're taking things apart. So we're going to have a less answer here. And remember what I said, the bigger number always goes in first in the subtraction equation. So for this problem, it should not be 2 minus 6. We do not want that. No, no, no. We want 6 minus 2. Any number that's bigger, what your subtraction, we want it to go first in the problem. And then I know you guys know the equal sign, so here we see it again. But remember, the answer in every addition equation, it's called the sum. Now, can you guys tell me what is the answer in a subtraction equation called? It is called the difference. So in this case, 4 is our difference. The difference. Yay. That was a really bad smiley face, but yes. So the answer in every subtraction equation is called the difference, and the answer in every addition equation is called the sum. Okay? So we are going to be reviewing something. So we're going to review this guy, the number line. I know I talked about the number line in some problems. So I'm just going to do 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I love the number line. It's my best friend because it could tell me where the number is located on the number line. Is it more than? Is it less than? Is it far away from 0? Is it close to 0? So the number line is a great way you can use in subtraction or addition equation problems. Or you can even determine which number is bigger. Like, for example, is it the 3 or the 4? Well, the 3 is closer to 0, so we know that 3 is going to be less than 4. So the number line is a great tool for several things. But we are going to be reviewing on the terms called count on and count back. Now, in your mind, what do you think count on means? Usually when you hear the term counting on, you're going on a journey. So I like to think of counting on as you're moving forward. So counting on would be a great strategy for an addition equation. So for example, if I gave you guys the problem 2 plus 3 is what? What is 2 plus 3? So like I said, you could either start on the 2 and the 3 and then count onwards. So if we're going to start on 3, how many more do we need to count on? We're going to count on 2 more since we already used 3. So 1, 2. We've landed on the 5. So our answer is going to be 5. And is going to be 5. And have you noticed we went forward? That's how I like to think of counting on. We're moving further away from 0. We're going further away on a journey away from 0. Okay? So this is an example for addition equation. So I'm going to erase this and we're going to start over and we're going to think about counting back. Now, since we counted forward, what do you think counting back means? So counting back is like we're heading back home. So we're heading to home base, which is 0. So, for example, if I was to say 9 minus 5. Actually, I'm going to change this since I can't physically show you what 9 is because I have to make my number line longer and I don't feel like changing it. So, 5 minus 4 is what? So, and remember, I compared on the number line, which is greater, 5 or the 4. The 5 is further away, so we'll write the 5 first in the subtraction equation instead of 4. Okay, so we could start, we're starting on number 5. And since this is a subtraction equation, we're taking things away. So we're going backwards. We're counting backwards. And how many are we counting backwards in this subtraction equation? We're counting backwards from 4. So we're taking away 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So our answer is 1. Our answer is going to be number 1. Yay. Our difference. Remember? Difference. So our answer is 1. But how did you guys see we counted backwards? So we counted back in the subtraction equation, while in a addition equation, we are counting on. So I like to think of it as subtraction equations. We're going back home to 0, while counting on, we're going way to 0. We're going on vacation somewhere. I don't know where we're going, but we're going far away from 0. Okay? We'll be reviewing these terms later on and get more practice with them, but we're just getting our feet wet in this lesson. Okay, so I'm going to talk about something new. We are going to be learning about adding with 0. And adding with 0 is pretty fun, okay? Let me show you an example. So in your Big Ideas math book, you'll see these examples, but let me show you like how to do it on my end. So we are going to pretend like we have a domino block, and we have it's clear blank on the right-hand side, but on the left-hand side, we have, we're going to say 3 dots, okay? So in your minds, how would you write this addition equation to figure out how many dots are in this domino? So we have 3 because 1, 2, 3, plus nothing is what? What do you think 3 plus 0 is? Let me show you with a number line example. So we are trying to figure out what is 3 plus 0. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to put 4. So we're on 0. But what's the value of 0? 0 stays in one spot. It's not going anywhere. So do you think we move from the number line? We do not. So we're going to be sticking with 3, because 0, we're not going forward or we're not going back. We're staying at 3 on the number line. So every time when we add with 0 or minus 0, it's going to be that answer. It's not going to change. So if 4 plus 0 will be also 4, because it's not moving. 2 plus 0 will be 2, because it will not be moving on the number line. 1 plus 0 would be 1, because it's not moving. So we're going to be focusing on adding with zeros. I'm going to talk about subtraction with zeros later on, but when you add with 0 with a number, so let's go back to this domino block, because we know 3 plus 0 is going to be 3. Oh no, my number line went away. Okay. So let's say we have 5 green dots in the left-hand side of this domino. But in this side, we have 0 because it's blank. So 5 plus 0 is how many dots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And since we have nothing to add there, it's also going to be 5. 5 plus 0 equals 5. So we're going to be learning more about adding with 0 later on in the week. But yeah, this is just a first lesson to get our toes wet with this math idea. That's all I have to share, but thanks for watching.